Changing your password on Target is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is secure. Step 1. Visit the Target website. Go to the official Target website or open the Target app on your device. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the Sign In option and enter your current login credentials. This will allow you to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account or Profile section. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Step 4. Select Password Change option. Look for the option that says Change Password or Edit Password. Click on it to proceed to the password change form. Step 5. Enter new password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password, then create and confirm your new password. Make sure your new password meets any specified security requirements. After completing these steps, your password will be updated. Remember to log out and log back in with your new password to ensure it works correctly. Keeping your password secure is essential for protecting your account.